Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Calendly to schedule LinkedIn follow-up calls step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and visit the Calendly website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on your account name. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, look for the LinkedIn option. Click on the Connect button next to LinkedIn. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click the Sign In button. You may need to grant Calendly permission to access your LinkedIn profile. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. Once you allow access, you will be redirected back to the Calendly page. You should see a confirmation that your LinkedIn account is now connected. Next, return to your Calendly dashboard to create a new event type. Click on the Event Types tab on the left side of the screen. Select Create Event Type and choose your preferred event settings. In the event description, include details about the follow-up call. Set your availability for the calls according to your schedule. After configuring the event type, click on the Save and Close button. Now, copy the link for your new event type. You can share this link directly in your LinkedIn messages. When someone clicks your link, they will be directed to your Calendly page. From there, they can select a time that works for them. Once they schedule, you'll receive a notification in your Calendly account. That's it. You're all set to use Calendly for your LinkedIn follow-up calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.